Hey guys, Room Picker here from another lock picking video, and today I got another challenge lock for you. This one is Bearsback level 8. And he made his out of a schlag. Looks like a schlag. Maybe? I don't know. You have to let me know what kind of keyway you think that is. It looks kind of like a cross between a schlag and a quickset. But we're going to go ahead and get this open today. Using top the keyway going counterclockwise. And we're using the Rewit special. In a pretty deep false set right now. Lost it. Start over. We're getting close. We keep getting to this false set. I just can't isolate. This one feels good. This one feels good. Oh. Oh, there we go. We got it. Sweet. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this key. Oop. Here is the key. Pretty good bidding. Key works just fine. And we need a gutting wrench that Rune Jr. did something with, which I don't know. Well, we'll have to do it the old-fashioned way. Alright, we got the clip off the back. Got this ring off. And let's get the key. Alright. Pin 1, pin 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 2, 4, there's only 5, sorry. So these are all standard except for pin 3. Pin 3's a gin bottle, it looks like. And let's take a look at pin 1. Whoop. Pin 1's a pin and pin. If I can get this, come on. There we go. Pin 2 is also a pin and pin. Pin 3. Pin 3 is a standard. Pin 4. Pin 4 is a spool. And pin 5, we have a serrated. So looks like there are no mods to the core, and no mods done to the Bible. So it's all pin work related. So let's take a look at these awesome pins. So these pin and pins put up a pretty good fight with the counter rotation, and we got that low cut on pin 3 that put up a pretty big fight as well. But very nice pin work from Bearsback. And this is the level 8 challenge lock by Bearsback. If you guys like this content, like, comment, subscribe, and hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.